Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to make Pinterest dark mode on your PC or laptop. So it is very easy. Here you can see my Pinterest is open here, but it is in white mode. So in order to add the dark mode, there is no specific option available in Pinterest itself, but you can use the extension. So for that you can just click on this plus icon, but make sure you are using Chrome browser, only then you can follow this process. So once you create the new tab, click on these three little dots. Then here you will see the option extensions, and under extensions you will see this option visit Chrome Web Store. And after clicking there, here in the search bar we need to type this extension by the name of Dark Reader. Once you click there, just click on add to Chrome, click on add extension, and yeah, here you can see the extension is turned on. If I go to Pinterest, you will see my Pinterest is successfully converted into dark mode. And yeah, that's it. Now if you think I was a big help, can you please subscribe my YouTube channel? If you do, I would really appreciate it. But for now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.